birds can perch on live electrical wires without getting electrocuted. And the reason lies in the basic principles of electrical circuits. Here's what I mean. It's going to need to be a closed circuit requirement. For electricity to flow, there needs to be a complete circuit, like a closed loop. When a bird sits on a wire, it only touches one wire, effectively not causing the circuit to loop round. So basically the electricity doesn't have a path to flow through the bird. And there is a potential difference, because electrocution only happens when there is a potential difference, when the voltage is a little bit different between 2 points. The bird sits on a single wire with both feet on the same electrical, so basically it's the same electrical potential. There's no potential difference, so the electricity doesn't really go through the bird's body. Now, if a bird was to touch another wire of a different voltage while it was touching that wire and create a path of a current flow to go through, then yeah, that bird would go pop. That's because the ground is normally a different voltage level from the bird. Similarly, touching two wires of the different voltage would be dangerous just for any bird. The resistance of the bird's body and the electric current is generally higher compared to the polarity of the resistance in the actual copper or aluminium cable. And you think about it, given a choice, electricity will always flow through the easiest option. Yes, there will be, electricity does flow through every option, not just the easiest option, but it will flow with less resistance. There's going to be a higher resistance in that bird's body than there is on the cable it's standing on. So the main part of the electricity, the main current, is going to flow through the cable, which the bird's actually sitting on. And it won't really affect the bird. But with larger birds, with the wider wingspans, they've got to be a bit more cautious. If the wingspans ever touch another wire while it's perched on one of them live wires, then yeah, they're going to create a circuit and, well, go bang basically. And this is the actual reason why power lines are spaced out on such a long distance. So obviously help birds be able to navigate through them or basically sit on them without getting electrocuted. So that's why birds don't get electrocuted.